Maths is the only place where beauty and truth means the same thing. A very warm morning to our respected teachers and my lovely fellow friends. Today I, Uttkarsh,
I, Kaushiki Mukherjee.
students of semester 4th, Department of Mathematics, is standing in front of you all to speak on the topic Scilab. So let us start with a very basic question. What is Scilab? Scilab is a free and open source software designed for numerical computations and comprehensive environment for scientific application. It's a free alternative of MATLAB. It is designed by France in 1990. Now, some of the key features of Scilab. It is a free and open source software that is accessible to all communities. It provides a high level interpreted language which is similar to MATLAB. It offers 2D and 3D plotting capabilities for visualizing data, functions, and simulation of the results. It has the ability to interconnect with third party applications and technologies. It can integrate with C, C++, and Java. What does Scilab do? It helps in simulation of the results, it helps in 2D, 3D visualization, it helps in optimization, statistics, controlling the system, signal processing, and at the same time, it also helps in the application development. What is Scilab Console? Scilab Console is the main interface or window of the Scilab software where users can type and execute commands.
Let us talk about the syntax and operations in Scilab. In Scilab, basic arithmetic operation use plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, front slash for division, and caret sign for exponential. We can also use a double asterisk for exponential too. The variables in Scilab are assigned a particular value using the equal to sign, which is also known as the assignment operators. The expression in Scilab follows a particular order, which is bracket first, then powers, followed by multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. There are some predefined constants in Scilab, which is percentage phi for pi, percentage e for Euler's number, and percentage I for the imaginary unit number, and the list goes on. All the characters, including all letters in both cases, and the digits from 0 to 9 can be used as a string in Scilab. The strings can be defined and then can be stored into any variable names by delimiting them into double quotes. The output of any command can be suppressed by using the semicolon. Scilab also includes some built-in functions such as the exp for exponential, p modulo for positive reminders, sqrt for square root, log for logarithms, and sign to determine the sign of any elements in a matrix. These functions work for both scalars and vectors or any matrices. In Scilab, we also have loops like the for loop, the while loop, and the if or else loop, which is used in various programs. Before writing any program in Scilab, we need to use the command clc and clear to remove any kind of memory stored in variable window or command window. To define any function in Scilab, we use the command function. To end the function, we use the command end function. To find the derivative, the derivat command is used. The plot 2D command is used for plotting any graph in 2D. The plot 3D command is used for plotting any graph in 3D. The subplot command is used to plot a number of graphs in a single window, and we use the command xtitle to title any graph. Now let's look at what we can do with Scilab. So in the PPT we have added some example programs. Using Scilab we can perform tasks like addition of two n cross n matrices. We can also find the factorial of a non-negative number and calculate the sum of the first n integers. We can also plot graphs of conic sections, visualize damped and undamped oscillation, compute the derivative of polynomials, and plot them and their graphs. So now I'd like to explain one code in Scilab, which is finding the sum of the first n numbers. So we have to, as usual, write the clc and clear command. Then we are defining one variable, that is small I, and assigning it the value I, then sum, and assigning it the value 0. We are taking n as variables and taking the input of the user. We are using the while loop and writing the condition, then ending the loop by the command end. Then we are commanding the Scilab to display the sum or the final result. In conclusion, Scilab is an excellent free open source alternative to MATLAB, offering powerful tools for numerical computations and scientific visualizations. Thank you.